In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page outline with Grok AI, step by step 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. This is where everything happens, so once you're there, consider bookmarking the page for quick access later. If you have an account, go ahead and log in. It's not strictly required, but signing in helps you save your chats and pick up where you left off, which is great if you plan to refine your outline over time. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat interface front and center. This is your workspace. Take a second to get familiar with the chat bar at the bottom, because that's where you'll guide the AI. Before you type anything, look for the mode selector in the chat area. You can choose Auto, Fast, or Expert. Auto is a balanced default that gives you thoughtful results without much waiting. Fast prioritizes speed if you just want a quick draft to start from. Expert tends to go deeper with more structured, strategic suggestions. Pick the one that fits how you like to work. You can always switch later. Now, in the chat bar, type "Create a landing page outline." For better results, add a bit of context right after that phrase. Mention what your product or service is, who the audience is, and the main conversion goal, like signups or demos. A clear ask helps Grok tailor the sections and messaging to your specific use case. Grok will generate a detailed landing page outline. Expect to see a logical structure that typically includes a hero section with a strong headline and subheadline, a primary call to action, benefit-driven sections, key features, social proof such as testimonials or logos, an explanation of how it works, FAQs to reduce friction, and a final call to action. Read through it carefully and think about how each section supports your goal and flows from attention to interest to action. If something feels off-brand or too generic, that's normal at this stage. You're about to refine it. Use follow-up prompts in the same chat to tighten or expand the outline. You can ask Grok to summarize for a shorter page or to add more detail for a long-form version. Request tone adjustments, professional, friendly, or bold. Ask for alternative headlines and call to action options, or specify audience nuances. You can also tell it to emphasize benefits over features, prioritize above default clarity, or include a brief comparison block if that's relevant. Iterate until the structure feels crisp, persuasive, and aligned with your goal. When you're happy, save your chat or copy the outline so you're ready to move into design and content drafting with confidence.